So good to see you! Look how many more cars there are for you! It needs a little repair. Let's have a look. Drag the scanner to check it out. You're so smart. Super! To fix it, we need to take apart the backhoe. Keep going. Perfect. What do we fix first? Cracks and dents. We have to fix them. We need to remove the rocks with pliers. Perfect. Use a hammer to level out the dents. Super! That's great! Weld the cracks. Move the tool along the cracks. Super! Perfect! The only thing left to do is paint. Keep going. That's it! There's something wrong with the wires. Sorry, I lost my keys. Let's break these locks. That's a lot of dust. Let's vacuum it up. Awesome! Plug the wire into the right place. Blue. Red. Violet. Green. Yellow. You fixed it! The wheel is broken. Pick up all the junk with wires. You're so smart. That's great! Use a glue gun and fill the holes with glue. You're so smart. Awesome! Put the patches in the silhouette. Trefoil. Square. Cross. Arrow. Ellipse. Awesome! Connect the pump to the wheel. Awesome! Pump it, pump it! Keep going! Yay! It worked! All done! Now help to assemble backhoe! I appreciate your help. Now we can upgrade the parts. It's time to take the car to the construction site.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Let's go! Let's go! Keep going.
Let's go! Let's go!
Keep going. Let's go! Let's go!
Congratulations! Don't stop now! You got a sticker for your great work! Unwrap the... Wow! What an amazing sticker! These are the fascinating stickers you collect